go, let's go, let's go. Hurry, hurry.
Go.
Here you have the GPS. Good morning from Campeche, Brazil, and if you can't tell, we're in quite the hurry this morning, and today is an exciting day. Pally's going to be doing her first dive in the ocean. We have to be in Arvoredo, which is in the northern part of the island, in 35 minutes, and the GPS is showing we have 30 minutes to get there. Hola, Lucia. She's the greatest dive instructor ever, so.
Thank you.
My camera keeps fogging up, so I hope this quality isn't so like terrible, but I don't know, we'll see. We're right here in Arvoredo, and we're going all the way up here. Ilha do Arvoredo. This is the second time on camera that we're coming to Arvoredo. The first time we came just to check out some luxury houses, but now we're here at the dive shop, and total cost for me to go dive here is $77. So if you're in this area, definitely come check out this place called Agua Viva. We're walking down the street to the boat now. How do you feel?
Well, I'm super nervous, to be honest.
Yeah?
I'm excited but nervous.
You're gonna get 2 dives in. That's great.
Yeah, it's awesome. Hopefully I will be fine.
We're on the Arvoredo beach, and it's stunning out here this morning. It's perfect sun hitting my face, waves crashing up on the beach. And we're getting close to the boat, so I'm getting a little anxious myself. Arvoredo beach is so pretty. I love all the boats in the harbor back there.
It's beautiful. It's one of my, I don't know, favorite beach, but it's one of the ones that I like the most.
For the people that live on Arvoredo, their houses face out into the ocean on these beautiful hills, and then the sun rays just beam through there onto the water. It's like a golden coast, just beautiful. There's the boat that's taking us. To get out to the boat that's taking us to our dive location, we have to take a small little orange life-saving boat out there because they don't want to bring the bigger boat all the way to the shore here. We made it onto the boat. I know it's incredibly loud because I'm right next to the motor, but it's awesome. We have great views in the harbor here, and I can see all of our equipment ready. The air is ready. We have the goggles ready. And to be honest, I am stoked. There's the island right back there. We're almost there, so time to get ready. It's so shaky. The boat, I can hardly do anything. Pauli's out of the water.
I made it.
And?
It was so good.
Yeah? What was your favorite thing you saw?
I don't know, everything. There were so many like fish. There were like huge ones.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Awesome view behind us. So not only is this a great dive shot, but just a wicked island with, check that water out. I can see sun rays over there coming up, just blue water. Beautiful. Also, nobody out here. I mean, there's one boat right over there, but just a total empty bay. This is the whole site that we're diving right here. Ultimately, fabulous experience. Absolutely love diving. It feels amazing to be back at it for after 2.5 years. If you like this video, you like scuba diving, you're interested in this place at all, then definitely consider hitting that subscribe button because we're bringing more content like this. And if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. See you all next adventure.